Seokyda presents a premium skincare line, crafted from matured honey for timeless radiance. We would like to introduce 3 points of Seokyda. Point 1. Experience gentle skincare that harmonizes nature's essence with your skin's natural balance. Formulated with 82.75% aged honey and 7 active ingredients, Seokyda delivers intensive hydration. Point 2. Each product is infused with our aged honey to deliver deep nourishment and care. Seokyda brings harmony between nature and skin through aged honey and gentle plant-based care, safe for even the most sensitive skin. Point 3. Formulated for all skin types, even the most sensitive, to ensure safe daily skincare. Honey water, made from Seokyda's aged honey instead of purified water, delivers rich moisture and nutrients gently to the skin. Centella asiatica and aloe vera extracts provide gentle soothing care for calm, hydrated, and sensitive skin. Honey Blend Hydra Care Pure Radiance Cream delivers daily moisture and soft radiance for healthy-looking skin. Honey Blend Intensive Care Pure Calming Ampoule provides concentrated care to soothe and comfort sensitive skin. Seokyda, where tradition meets innovation in natural skincare. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us